Hello, so this is my LS720 white AIO. The problem is with this one, particularly when I turn up the speed, you will have trouble. I'm trying to tear it apart, open the case. Today I take off this screw so I found another problem. Actually, when you lift it, see, it's starting to happen. This issue, this particular case. If I stop it or let it go, it will be quiet again, right? You see? So before today, when I unscrew it, the problem issues happen when I turn up my computer or I turn up the fan speed, like a full speed. When it's ramping up the speed, it will happen. Sorry. See? And then this time when I touch it, doesn't help. I need to slow it down. So I have to, hold on. Let me just turn it to quiet mode. Let's go back. So it's quiet down. Slow down, but obviously this one keep rattling. You can see this fan speed is slower than the other two. So if I touched it to stop and then let it go, the fan will go back to normal. So looks like it's running perfect when it's in the moderate speed. Whenever it hit a certain threshold, you will have trouble. Okay, and while I was investigating this, by opening up the case, I found another problem. I want to show you guys. I don't know whether you guys can hear the noise coming from the pump. There's a clicking sound, rhythmic clicking sound. Can you hear it? Okay, so that's the second issue I found out. Yeah, the first issue is definitely the bigger one. So it's very fragile. Every day when I open up my computer or just out of nowhere, it is starting to emit this kind of a rattling noise, and I have to open up the case, using my hand to touch it, slow it down, let it quiet down. It will last for a while until out of nowhere next time when I was doing some heavy load task in my computer or anything like that, right? So right now I find out there's another way I can reproduce the issue. Is just lifting this thing go. See, it happened again easily. So the way to do that is stop it first and let it go back to the normal speed, not the fancy crazy high speed. It will definitely causing that the rattling noise for sure. Okay, so this is the middle fan is having the trouble. Another problem is that this one is having a clicking noise. I don't know whether that's normal or not. You can tell me about it, but again, let me just hear the sound again. Yeah, the noise is in sync with the flash over there. Okay, thank you.